Did you know that psychopaths fail one of the simplest empathy tests imaginable? They don't yawn when others yawn. While normal people catch yawns about 70% of the time, psychopaths barely react at all. This happens because contagious yawning requires mirror neurons, the same brain circuits that create empathy and emotional connection. When you see someone yawn and automatically yawn back, your brain is literally mirroring their experience. Studies reveal people who yawn more contagiously have stronger relationships and better emotional intelligence. Others trust them more instinctively. Some therapists now use yawn tests to spot autism spectrum disorders and antisocial personality traits. They simply show patients videos of people yawning and count the responses. The results are shocking. Researchers can predict someone's empathy questionnaire scores just by counting their contagious yawns. The accuracy rate? Over 80%. Your next yawn might reveal more about your emotional world than you ever imagined.